Hello all, this is Frida here again. The next career we're going to look at in the investment banking and finance space is that of a financial analyst. So a financial analyst mainly analyzes financial data in order to guide both companies as well as individual investors to make the best investment decisions. So often, for example, they will analyze, say, the financial statements of companies, such as looking at, balance sheets, profit and loss account, in order to assess the health of the company and see if it is, viable to invest in them. They analyze macroeconomic data. They look at current market trends, and they're able to do data modeling or financial modeling based on which they sort of predict the future trends. So as you can see, it's a very data intensive career. So skill set necessary is definitely love for numbers and analytical skills, because numbers, by themselves don't tell a story. So you have to obviously look at it, analyze it in order to carve out that story. And that's essentially what's presented, to top management in the form of management reporting as well. So in terms of skill set, definitely Excel skills are necessary for this career. So there are two kinds of financial analysts. You have the buy-side analyst and you have the sell-side analyst. So a buy-side analyst actually helps, the institutional investors, as they are called. So these are companies such as your hedge funds, mutual funds, who need to buy, securities and other assets for money management purposes. Okay. And then you have this sell side, and this analysis is often done again, to sort of help agents who sell securities such as your bonds, equities, and other assets. Okay. So I remember doing a role as a sort of financial analyst. I was a consultant CFO, and I reported to the CFO. And my role was to create a benefit attestation model. So what does that mean? It basically, my role was to ensure that, we are able to see through and find out which of the projects are actually doing well financially based on the goals we've set in the form of benefits that we wanted to realize, and, keeping the cost to the forecasted costs that we had predicted, so that, based on the information, we can make that decision whether to continue with that project or to stop that project because it's not viable anymore. So the benefit attestation model there was to ensure that you sort of looked at hundreds of business cases, consolidated your forecasted benefits, compared it to your actual benefits, and report those projects where your actual benefits were lower than the forecasted benefits. And vice versa, on the cost side, again, it was to look at those projects where the actual cost exceeded the forecasted cost, and to analyze, the factors to see, whether it was your running cost that has increased or your fixed cost that has increased. Okay. So I hope I've given you a little bit of a flavor of what a financial analyst does. So typically, education that you need for this kind of career is a degree in finance. I would recommend looking into CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst, as well as ACA. So have a look, and we will speak later. Bye-bye.